Hello everyone, in this video we will create a random number in Solidity, and in Solidity actually there is no method that we can create a truly random number. For that reason we will be playing with other methods of Solidity like this uint, catch-256, abi.encodePacked. We will be playing with them, and we will be also playing with those variables and those values here that we can approach to produce a random number. And to do that, let's first create a variable here. I will say uint random number is 88. Let's make this public, and here we will comment out this explanation here. And now let's create our function. I will say get random and external. So the first thing is to mix ingredients with abi.encodePacked so that we will be producing a bytes data type format, a value. So I will say message.sender and random num, and also block timestamp. And by the way, we are not limited with those ingredients. You can add it more, like it's totally up to you, or change them. It's again up to you. Instead of block timestamp, you can use, for example, block difficulty or whatever your preference. And later, this will produce a bytes data type value, which is a hexadecimal value. So now we can again convert it to another hexadecimal value, and we will use catch-256. It will hash it, and this again is not going to be enough, because right now, if I return this value, it will be in hexadecimal format. So I need to convert this hexadecimal number to decimal number, and to do that I will be using uint method. Oops. And actually that's it. Now I can say random num is equal to this, and later if I return this variable, I should be able to see the random number. So now let's save everything and let's deploy it. It's already compiled. Now if I click on random number, this is the variable value, but after this function, if I return it, you see it returns me a huge number. And this is a quasi-random number, and it's not easy to work with this number actually, so maybe I can still make it more workable. So I will say random num is equal to random num and divide by 100. So if I divide this number with 100, it means that its remainder will every time be a number between 0 to 99. It cannot be 100. It will be a number between 0 to 99. For example, with this number, if I use this operation on it, it will return me number 87. Okay? So now, let's save it, deploy it again. Random number 88. Get random and return random. You see it's 13. Let's get random again, and now let's return it. It became 27. So that's how you produce a quasi-random number in Solidity, and see you next time. Bye bye.